Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub, and in this video, I'll be showing you the most important tips and tricks for your Vivo Y11. By the way guys, I've already made a dedicated video for the best features where I've talked about many things which I won't be covering in this video. So definitely check out that video, link will be in the description. Now I'm going to show you some camera gestures. For that, just go to settings over here. First we have touch. Now once you enable it, you can just touch the preview window to take a picture. And that's the quick preview of that. Next we have voice, and once you enable it, we can say cheese to take a picture. And finally we have the palm gesture, and this is how it works. Just show your palm to your camera and your phone takes a picture in 3 seconds. And obviously it's super useful for taking selfies. So guys, those were all the camera gestures. Next we have some pretty cool features related to gaming. For that, we need to first open Ultra Gaming mode. You can open it from the toggles or from the settings. For all regular games, it gives you cool options like managing background calls, auto rejection. We also have Game Assistant, which pops up while playing a game, which gives you the same options. But on this phone, for PUBG, we get new features like 4D game vibration, voice changer, and game counter. 4D vibration adds new vibrations to your game every time you shoot or get shot. Game counter displays a counter on the screen, showing you when the game will start. Finally, voice changer changes your voice in game. So definitely check out all these features. Next, I'm going to show you some new navigation gestures. And to enable them, you need to go to settings, then select system navigation, then select navigation gestures. Now to go home, you can swipe from the bottom of the screen and it takes you home. For recent apps, swipe and hold and you'll get the recent applications. Next, for control center, swipe from the left bottom of the screen and there you get the control center. And finally, to go back a step, you can swipe from the right side or left side or the bottom right side. It's a pretty cool implementation and personally, I love it. Here's a quick preview once again. Next, if you're planning to use Face Unlock feature on this phone, I'd suggest you to enable these two toggles. First one is the screen fill light, so that Face Unlock works better even in low lighting conditions. Next, make sure you disable this toggle. Stay on lock screen after unlocking so that your phone unlocks automatically. Here's a quick preview. Next, I'm going to show you some important fingerprint gestures. For that, go to settings once again and then select face and fingerprint settings and then enable these two toggles. Once we do that, we can take pictures using the fingerprint scanner. By the way, it only works in the stock camera application. Just open the camera application and touch the fingerprint scanner to take a picture. It works for both the rear camera and for selfies as well. Next, we can also pull down the notification bar by swiping down on the fingerprint scanner. You can swipe down to pull it down and swipe it up to send it back. It works pretty well. Next, this phone also has a dedicated dark mode. You can enable it from the toggles or from the display settings. And once you enable it, this is how the phone looks. All the UI elements change. You get a brand new control center, new recent apps page. Even the themes for stock applications like phone dialer, SMS application also change. Now your phone will look much more cooler, strains your eyes less at night, and also helps you save some battery. By the way, we can also schedule this dark mode to work only at a specific time. Next we have split screen mode. Split screen mode has been on Android for a very long time. But on this phone, there is a pretty neat shortcut. To open any application in split screen mode, just swipe down using 3 fingers and it opens the current application in a split screen mode and you can select the secondary application from the list below. On previous Vivo phones, only the apps displayed in the list are supported, but now almost all the applications support split screen mode. Next, I'm going to show you how to record calls automatically on your phone. For that, go to settings and now you need to search for system app settings, select your phone dialer, and now select record settings. Now select record all calls automatically. Once you do that, all the calls will be recorded automatically on your phone. By the way guys, this feature is available in India but might not be available in other countries. So if you can't find this feature, try using a third-party application. Next, I'm going to show you how to change your default apps. Whether you want to change your default launcher, browser or so on. For that, first go to settings, then select applications, then select permission management and default apps. Now from this page, you can change your default keyboard, default launcher, that's your home screen, browser, video player, music player and so on. I would definitely suggest you to check this out and change your default applications. Next, we have flashlight notifications, and you can access it from system settings. Just search for it and you can find it. And once you enable this feature, every time you get a notification, your flashlight blinks and gives you a visual indication. Next, we have a pretty unique feature on this phone called Smart Click, which will allow you to perform a quick action. These are the settings. You can perform multiple tasks, but personally I use it to turn on and turn off flash. This is one of my favorite features on this phone. Next, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on this phone. Like on any other Android phone, you can press the volume down and power button both at the same time to take a screenshot. And it works anywhere, every time. If that's a bit hard for you, we also have the 3-finger screenshot gesture. It's enabled by default, so all you need to do is just swipe up using 3 fingers to take a screenshot. And once again, even this gesture works everywhere without any hiccups. Next, I'm going to show you how to take a long screenshot. For that, first we need to take a normal screenshot. You can either use the buttons or the gesture, and then click long screenshot. Now we need to click the next button. Once you're done, click save and you'll get a long screenshot. Next, I'm going to show you how to disable the lock screen poster. Now here's a quick preview of the lock screen. Every time you go to the lock screen, you see a different wallpaper. Some people like it, some people hate it. If you're like me, if you want to get rid of it, this is what you can do. Go to settings and then select home screen and lock screen settings. Now select lock screen poster, and just disable this toggle. Once you do that, we have a fixed lock screen wallpaper. So guys, these are the most important tips and tricks for your Vivo phone. If I missed out on anything important, do let me know by commenting below this video, and definitely check out my video on the best features. Link will be in the description. If you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. And if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.